Muhammad Sanusi II, CON, and most uniquely, a distinguished student of the faculty, the Dean of the Faculty of Law, our newly branded Professor of Law, Professor A.J. Suleiman, our guest, who also informed me that he is a long-time friend of the area, Honorable Sunday, Akin Sunday, CON, you are most welcome. I can see we also have our special guest. I think she must be Robert Martins. You are most welcome. The respected members of the Emirate Council, the representative of the Registrar of the University, that is the Director, Examination, Admission and Records, all the deans here present, the HODs, the President of the International Humanitarian Law Society, the students, the staff of the Faculty of Law, and all other staff of the university. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuhu. I'm pleased to be part of this dual purpose event organized by the Humanitarian Law Society, and also the leadership of the Faculty of Law. In my position, not only as a Vice Chancellor, but also as a special guest of honor, and also from the invitation I can see as a potential awardee. So I have several caps to wear. So first of all, I will wear my first cap, though I can see from the program they address the Dean as the chief host. The Dean is the host, and the Vice Chancellor is the chief host. So in my capacity as the chief host, I would want to welcome all our guests to this important occasion. I must also acknowledge the singular honor of having His Highness in our midst. We receive you with highest respect as a royal father of the day. However, we must take a pride in recognizing you as a dedicated student of this faculty. I must commend the humility of His Highness in deciding to sit in our classes and face the rigors of law education amidst these younger students. This action has sent a powerful signal, not only to the youth and our students, but to all the staff of the university and also to the nation. Another wisdom shown by our emir lies in his ability to balance between the book and the crown by rescheduling his palace duties from morning hours to afternoon just to attend his morning lectures. So this is also So there are so many lessons. He has recognized that no. So he has recognized that no